Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making Chinese eggplant with minced pork. This is a simple stir-fry dish with bold flavors and a good recipe to try if you haven't cooked with eggplant before. Let's get started. For the sauce, we're starting with oyster sauce, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, Sambal chili paste, dark soy sauce, white wine, and cornstarch dissolved in water. Mix well and set aside. This is Chinese eggplant, but any Asian variety would be good for this recipe. I like to cut it into irregular sized chunks. I do that by rolling the eggplant as I slice. I'll soak them in salted water while I prep the rest of the vegetables. I'm using 1 Fresno chili and dicing it with the seeds removed. But if you want your dish really spicy, you can leave the seeds in. I had some shiitake mushrooms on hand, so adding them too, but this is optional. We're going to sear and cook the eggplant in oil. This will take about 10 minutes. I like using chopsticks to flip them over. Check for doneness and remove from the wok. Brown the pork. But for a meatless recipe, crumbled firm tofu is a great substitute. Add the garlic, ginger, and chili. Stir for a minute. Here I added the chopped mushrooms. Continue to stir until the mushrooms are fully cooked. Then add in the sauce. Bring to a simmer, then return the eggplant to the wok. Add green onion. Finish it with cilantro, which is optional. This is a perfect combination of tender eggplant and savory pork, swimming in a delicious sauce. Did you know that eggplant is high in fiber and antioxidants? All the more reason to try it. Serve over hot steamed rice and your favorite sides. Hope you try this recipe for Chinese eggplant with pork. And let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.